So, the reason why, sorry about that. The reason why there's a vlog coming out way later than usual is because, well, sorry about that. I had some family over today and wanted to spend some time with them. So yeah, and this vlog is nothing special. It's just my nephews gave me trouble again, and yeah, it's just a normal style type of vlog. That's just the the refrigerator turning on. Sorry about that. Anyways, here's the vlog, and I hope you enjoy. It is pouring down rain right now, and the noise, the watering noise, that noise, that's just the gutter. Don't worry about it. So that's what's going on right now. Pouring down rain, and I'm vlogging it, obviously, in case it's not obvious already. It's obvious like 10,000 times there. Sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what we got right now, and there's the cat food. So my my nephew he's being a pain in the ass again. This time he woke up and will not go back to sleep. This is officially the fifth time I'm telling this shit now. Telling him to go back to sleep. I'm tired of it. Boy, get your little ass back in that bed and go back to sleep now. We can play in the morning, but for now you've got to get your sleep. This is the fifth time I'm telling you this. I'm not telling you again. And by the way, your parents is sleeping at their friend's house now, which means they let me in, which means I'm in charge of you for the night. So I'm the adult and you're a little kid. Get back to sleep now and stop playing around. Knock it off now. I mean, dead serious. That kid. I swear. I love him, but he can piss me off sometimes. Jesus Christ. Oh man. I seriously cannot wait to fly this thing. I seriously cannot. I'm just thinking of all the videos I can make with this thing in the future. Oh man. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, that's gonna be so fun. Ah. Still playing a bit. This kid is beginning to piss me off. 6 times. Get back to sleep now. I'm trying really hard not to scream because it's ridiculously late. You need to be in bed now. I'm not telling this crap again. Get back to bed now and stop playing around, please. You're beginning to piss me off now, son. You better stop now. I'm not even kidding with you. One more time. One more time. And yeah, I dare him to disrespect. I dare him to disrespect me again. You know, see what it does. That kid is just beginning to tick me off now, man. I'm trying to sit down and watch some TV, and I hear him just playing around up there it's when it's ridiculously late. I mean, come on, give me a break. The dog and it's the cat. See, look at this. My nephew, he used to be like the cat, dead asleep, but he's not. He's up there screwing around when he should be in bed. I mean, it's ridiculously late. That kid is killing me. My God. This is the dog. Ooh, abuse. Uh-oh. Uh. Uh. Oh, damn. Sounds like the event has calmed down a little bit, so that's good. Calmed down a lot, actually. Once again, that's good. Anyways, thought I'd check on the weather because it's been quite a while since I've checked on it, and yes, calm down again. Or again, calm down, I mean. So that's good, once again. Lock the door. Hold on a minute. Okay, how to be sure the door is locked? As it is. Excellent. What? Anyway, so decided to play some San Andreas here. My hands are in your pocket, dude. So apparently this guy here smokes because it gives him a peace of mind. Interesting. Anyway, so shut up. Anyway, so what's going on right now? Playing some San Andreas, obviously, and
hey, you think you I like your gear, man. It's tight. Hey, thanks. I'm glad you like my clothes. Hey, I enjoy the warm embrace of romance.
oh, there's no basketball? That sucks ass. The hell? Why is the light over here? Whatever. Anyways, I'm actually gonna end it here and play some more San Andreas here, and probably gonna head out to bed because it's starting to get late, and yeah, and I'll pick it back up when my nephew or something interesting has happened. And that's gonna be it for now.